Jamaican cricket fans can set aside fears of losing the country's Caribbean Premier League franchise in the near future. According to representative of Kingsmen cricket, Faisal Mirza, the group is committed to the long-term existence of the Jamaican franchise. Gerard Morris Seeley reports.
There was great joy among cricket fans last Friday when Minister of Sport Olivia Grange announced the Caribbean Premier League's return to Jamaica this summer. Then, 3 days later, Kingsmen Cricket took to social media to reveal their acquisition of the Jamaican franchise. Amidst the excitement, the dark memory of losing the Jamaica Talawas resurfaced, causing some fans to become concerned about whether there would be a repeat scenario. However, Kingsmen Cricket representative Faisal Mirza has quelled those fears, saying the group is focused on building a strong franchise.
This is a lifetime commitment, isn't it? You can't go to Jamaica and then back out. I think there's absolute clarity in this. You know, the groups only come in with a perspective that this is, you know, for the long haul. And that's exactly how we're viewing it. There's no sort of short-term fixes. There's no 6-month plan or a year plan to turn everything on its head. It's just, hey, we're in it now. We want to go in. We want to build from the ground up or rebuild from the ground up, and hopefully take Jamaica and Jamaica cricket back to that level at which we're all as cricket fans, we've seen it at.
The group recently acquired the Pakistan Super League Hyderabad franchise and owned USA minor league team Chicago Kingsmen. And Mirza says adding the Jamaican CPL franchise was an easy decision given the team's alignment to Kingsmen Cricket's goal. Previous owner Guyanese Chris Prasad cited a lack of government support as a major reason for the Talawas' downfall. However, Mirza says the Kingsmen ownership group has taken most of the financial responsibility.
We were more than happy to work through terms that, you know, we could still work off of in a mutually collaborative and beneficial way that wouldn't tax them too much, but at the same time be able to drive both tourism, traffic, and commercial activity towards the team as well as the league.
Not only are there plans to build revenue, but the multi-franchise owners are invested in completing the long-needed refurbishment at Sabina Park to turn it into a state-of-the-art facility. 4 games are set to be hosted at the International Cricket Ground in August, while the official name of the Jamaican franchise is set to be announced in March. Gerard Morris Seeley for TVJ Sports.